It was Kumba Yabba, the government's biggest shopping village. It proved several points, including that Jamaica's micro, small and medium-sized enterprises are bursting with creativity.
So, cheers.
This term, popularized by the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, means "come share my abundance with me." Recently, the corporation and its partners once again decided to share with the public the abundance of creativity which exists within the local business sector. Through its Things Jamaican stores, a patriotic Jamaican shopper's paradise, JBDC showcased authentic local merchandise inside the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center in St. Andrew.
The quality is just sold out. I am so impressed because people have taken on board the concept that you're not buying Jamaican because it's charity. You're buying because it's good quality, good price, good presentation. And I'm just overwhelmed.
Kumba Yabba, launched in 2001, took a break in 2012 and returned in December 2013 with a bang. The event was an explosion of creativity, expressed through ceramics, household furnishing, woodwork and carvings, and clothing and accessories.
In Jamaica, we use a lot of glean and we try to store them or throw them away. So the gleaner now is a recycled paper that you throw away, we use it back to do artwork.
We are promoting our lovely Jamaican Aki wine, okay, and our sorrel wine. It's a Jamaican-based company. It's 3 years old, but the products are 2 years old. We are located in the Ligani area, and our products can be found at Mega Mart, all the Mega Marts, at the airports, at Things Jamaica.
Only in Jamaica.
The vibrancy of the MSME sector has been touted as one of the main avenues to grow the economy. The government's implementation of the MSME and entrepreneurship policy in 2013 signaled its commitment to the sector. And as the entity charged with leading and maintaining the vibrancy of the industry, JBDC is adamant the sector will prosper. Kumba Yabba 2013 showcased that potential.
I'm a designer for the sand work. I put sand on top of wood. Go around Jamaica, try to find the different shades of sand that exist. And for many people that doesn't know, in Jamaica we have like 7 different shades of sand so far.
We're currently working on the book, Rasta Fairies. It's about the fairies that's, with long locks and very, very beautiful fairies that people are really into. Don't have specific meanings.
Patrons soaked up all that was on display.
What I've seen is very impressive. It has the requisite variety and the quality of the craftsmanship is good. And I hope it will be very well supported as we try to encourage our Jamaican craft makers to expand their industrial activities.
What I like is that they're made from all natural materials, so that's what I like. So they're really, really nice.
I get response. People love what my work. They love what they see. It's so different to them that they've never seen before.
Jungle set up shop, Backstreet set up shop, Ballroom set up shop, Chisley set up, Seaview set up shop, Southside set up shop.
To contact one of the exhibitors or for more information on the pieces shown, contact Things Jamaican Stores, 14 Camp Road, Kingston, or call 928-516125.